Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. My name's Marie. My business, social media handles, website, and YouTube channel are Mareevuitton. In this series, I'm going to give you the short form videos of the most used how-tos in Studio Designer. These videos are the remake of last year's how-to series, but you may have noticed that Studio Designer got a bit of a facelift in 2025. That prompted me to reshoot all these videos to help the new users because the screen is going to look a bit different. Okay, the processes and teachings, my tips and tricks remain the same. But again, I just want to make sure that I reshoot them because of the way that it looks different on screen. Okay, so as always, please leave your feedback and questions in the comment section and be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you found the video useful. Subscribe to stay updated. Now let's dive in. In this video, we're going to go over how to set up a client. Okay, you're going to just click the plus icon, click client. I still use the tax locations I've set up. You can use automated. Okay, if you need instructions on how to do that, I have a video for that. So I'm going to always set them up as a client. I don't use projects because it doesn't flow through everywhere. So until you're very well versed with using the system, I opt to not do that. I am going to go ahead and set up a client, Smith. I'm not gonna add more. If you want to use whatever naming convention that you use, if you have like a 3 letters or street, however you normally name. And in this case, I will do okay, and I'm going to go ahead and fill in as much information as I can. Okay, and then you can put in any notes. This is internal. I usually add anything that I want to remember about this client. For every single client that I set up, I do create a room list. If you're setting up prospects, you can opt to do that. But in this case, I will add a room list for every single client. I'm not going to add a related client. This is for the side mark, okay? I always leave it to copy purchase. Specify only is if the client's paying the vendors directly. I have a video on how to do that. Okay, and I'm going to leave it as is. These are defaults to set up at the client level. If your standard markup is one thing and you're changing it for this client, like this client is an exception, either you're going up or down for whatever reason, this is where you're going to designate that will override the company wide setups. Okay, so if there's any questions about what I've said, this client is now set up. Okay, leave them in the comments. Thank you.